All right, let's talk about that feeling we all know too well. You've got a few dollars sitting in your Payoneer account, maybe $30, maybe less, and the year's almost over. You think, all right, let's get this money out before the year ends. But then bam, Payoneer hits you with their maintenance fee. And just like that, your money is gone. And you're sitting there shaking your head thinking, Payoneer, why are you taking money from people who already have little left in their accounts? What's next? Are you going to charge me just to look at my balance? Oh, and let's not forget their other lovely feature, the $150 minimum withdrawal limit. Oh, and if you've made less than $1,000 in the year, you're getting hit with a $30 fee. Seriously, Payoneer, do you need to take more from the people who can barely withdraw their own money? It's like they're saying, oh, you didn't hit the $1,000 mark? Here's a fee for you. And let's be real, when you try contacting Payoneer, they don't help much either. You tell them, hey, can you help me get my money out before it's eaten up by these ridiculous fees? And they're like, sorry, nothing we can do. You're stuck with the rules. Thanks for nothing, Payoneer. So now what? You're sitting there with a tiny balance, frustrated, and Payoneer's telling you to just accept it, while your hard-earned money is slowly being eaten away by these fees. But wait, here comes the twist. Don't give up just yet. I've got a solution for you, and it's so easy you won't believe it. The answer? JazzCash. Here's how to save your Payoneer funds in 3 simple steps. Open your JazzCash app, scroll down to the Money Transfer section, and tap on Payoneer. Link your Payoneer account to JazzCash. Once you've connected your Payoneer and JazzCash accounts, you can withdraw any amount you want, $5, $10, $30, or whatever's left. No more waiting for that $150 minimum. No more Payoneer rules telling you what you can and can't do with your money. It's all in your hands. Just like that, you've got your money and it's in your JazzCash account. No minimum withdrawal limits, no maintenance fees, and no more hassle. You can finally access your Payoneer funds and use them however you like. If this saved you from another Payoneer disaster, share this with your friends, especially if they're in Pakistan and dealing with the same headache. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on Ace Designs for more easy solutions and helpful tips.